Handling is different too. EVs have heavy batteries mounted low in the chassis, which lowers the center of gravity and makes them feel incredibly stable and planted, especially when cornering. This weight distribution gives electric cars a unique, almost glued-to-the-road sensation that many drivers find confidence-inspiring. Gas cars, meanwhile, have their own balance and character, perfected over decades of engineering. The way they shift their weight, the feedback through the steering wheel, and the connection to the road all contribute to a driving experience that's rich in tradition and emotion. Both types of cars have their charms, but the EV's low center of gravity and instant torque give it a unique, modern feel that's hard to match. It's a new kind of confidence, one that comes from technology rather than tradition. Ultimately, the choice comes down to what excites you most: the visceral growl and mechanical engagement of a gas car, or the futuristic hush and effortless power of an EV. Each offers its own kind of thrill. Every drive is a chance to experience something different, whether it's the nostalgia of a classic engine or the innovation of electric propulsion. Both worlds have something special to offer, so, if you get the chance, try both. You might be surprised which world you prefer, or maybe you'll find a place for both in your heart. Electric vehicles are tech-forward, often feeling more like smartphones on wheels. Central touchscreens replace buttons, creating a sleek, modern interface. Over-the-air updates mean your car can get new features and improvements without a trip to the dealer. Use your phone to preheat the cabin, check charge status, or schedule charging for off-peak hours. EVs often lead in driver assistance tech, with advanced cruise control and lane-keeping features. The seamless integration with your digital life is a major draw. Gas cars are catching up, but EVs set the pace for smart features. For many, this tech is as exciting as the drive itself.